Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the MTAG app. To begin, you'll want to download the official MTAG application from your smartphone's app store. It's important to ensure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements for a smooth installation. Also, have your vehicle registration details and a valid payment method, like a credit card, ready. This initial preparation will make the entire sign-up process much easier and quicker for you. Once the app is installed, open it up and look for the Sign Up or Register button to start creating your new account. You'll be prompted to enter some basic personal information, such as your full name, email address, and phone number. Remember to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Confirm your password carefully to ensure there are no typos. This step secures your personal data within the application. Next, it's time to add your vehicle details. Carefully input your vehicle's registration number, along with its make, model, and color. Accuracy here is key for proper identification. Following that, you'll need to provide your preferred payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or another supported option. Double-check all the information you've entered, especially the numbers, to avoid any future issues. Taking a moment to review ensures everything is correct. Finally, you'll need to confirm your registration. Look for a verification link sent to your email or via SMS and click it to activate your account. Then, top up your MTAG account with an initial balance. Often, a minimum of 500 rupees is required. The last step is to attach the physical MTAG sticker to your vehicle's windshield, following the provided instructions precisely. Now you're all set to enjoy seamless travel on toll roads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.